Want to make some extra money while also helping researchers and medical experts advance their research? In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about making money participating in medical clinical trials so that you can get started today. If you or someone you know are interested in learning about clinical trials in your area that you may qualify for, click the link in the video description and visit studyscavenger.com. Participating in medical clinical trials is a great way to make extra money while also helping researchers and medical experts advance their research. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about how these trials work, what types are available, how much you can make, and more. With this knowledge, you can get started today and start making money participating in medical clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies in which participants help doctors and scientists find new ways to improve health. Clinical trial research is an important part of the development of new treatments, medications, and diagnostic tests that can benefit people around the world. Participating in a clinical trial allows you to play a more active role in your own healthcare, while also contributing to medical breakthroughs that may improve the lives of others. When a clinical trial begins, the researchers involved will decide what type of people should participate and set up specific criteria for who is eligible, such as age range, gender, or having a certain health condition. Participants then go through a screening process to make sure they meet all requirements for the study. Once accepted into a study, participants are monitored closely by the research staff to track their progress and make sure they don't experience any adverse effects from the treatments or medications being tested. Participants can often feel like an important part of the trial since their participation is critical to its success. In addition to helping the researchers reach a conclusion faster, participating in a clinical trial may be beneficial to you personally. You may receive access to new treatments before they are widely available, gain insight into your own health condition, have costs related to participation covered, sometimes even including the travel expenses, and/or receive financial compensation for taking part in the trial. It's important to remember that no matter how promising a study appears, there are always risks involved with participating in a clinical trial. Before joining a study, make sure to do your research and learn as much as you can about the risks and potential benefits to ensure that it's the right decision for you. You have the right to share the informed consent with your healthcare professionals and family members before joining. If you are thinking about participating in a clinical trial, there are some key tips to remember that can help ensure a positive experience. First, it's important to do your research and understand all the details of the study, including its purpose, what's involved, and any potential risks or side effects. One of the first steps in clinical research participation is to receive, read, and fully understand the study's informed consent. This is a document that fully describes all aspects of the clinical trial, its objective, goals, schedule, risks, and compensation. It's also important to make sure you understand the compensation policies for participating if applicable, as well as other details like how long the study will last and whether travel is required. Finally, it's essential to consider your own health history before signing up for a trial and be sure that it aligns with all criteria outlined by the researchers. If you're interested in learning more about medical clinical trials, there are a number of trustworthy resources available to help with your research. Study Scavengers is a platform that can help match you with available clinical trials that you may qualify for in your area. Be sure to click the link in the video description. Finally, many hospitals or research institutions may also have their own websites dedicated to providing information about specific clinical trial opportunities. If you're considering participating in a medical clinical trial, remember that you are helping to advance scientific research and potentially improve the health of many around the world. It can be scary to take part in something new, but don't forget that there are important benefits available to those who participate, from gaining access to potential treatments before they become widely available to improving your own understanding of what your condition may look like in the future. If you or someone you know are interested in learning about clinical trials in your area that you may qualify for, click the link in the video description and visit studyscavenger.com. To stay informed about clinical trials for a wide variety of conditions and ailments, Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you are alerted when new content is added.